Rose's House by Renan Mendes Arquitetura in Brasília, Brazil. The objective of the project was to transform the existing house, giving it a modern and functional style, making the most of the existing structures and walls. The proposal sought to create a residence with integrated environments, visual lightness, and greater connection with the outside, maintaining the original layout of the house. Based on customer demand, who wanted a house with a modern home feel, our strategy consisted of studying in detail the existing structure, the residents' needs, and the possibilities for intervention. It was essential to preserve the existing spatiality, minimizing structural interference. The front facade underwent a complete renovation, with the removal of the original roof and the expansion of the existing balcony, reinterpreting the colonial architectural heritage that the house had. This space, covered with large movable sunshades, made using existing slats from the old roof, provides greater integration between the interior and exterior, offering lightness to the visual and functional transition between environments, as well as providing a very striking visual effect in this environment. The volumetric composition of the rear facade originated from the existing wall in the residence's service area, which had a curved shape. This curved shape was expanded, incorporating an additional curvature, and culminating in a wall of hollow elements made in situ, which provide a visual softening to the spaces intended for service. Internally, most of the spaces were preserved, with the largest intervention being carried out in the living, dining, and TV areas. In this space, the connection with the new balcony is expanded, providing greater natural lighting, cross-ventilation, and a harmonious aesthetic connection. This reformulation brought more breadth and fluidity to the environments, creating an inviting and welcoming atmosphere. The partnership with the clients resulted in a highly satisfactory project, which met aesthetic and functional wishes, in addition to respecting the original construction as much as possible as well as its materials, which brought considerable savings.